Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa Pynbna ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabanda ka neat.
Shen ka Tnat Pulit kan sa Pynbna Advertisement. Hakabay day baka jing tungkam hapo ka Tnat kadang ban pendam ikijing duna ginong tray. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ka jela uba kami yak Tnat kampo yeng uba persatuan tensong hakaji kan bigilap thai kubot hakat pratrik jeliu aja pun riau ulai itu bakitan Kumba Hajar teliki kam gibalat hapo ka Tnat Pulit baya kajing tungkam on sepelong tak recruitment boot kuma julong hakisnam baladam.
No, you see, I think when I briefly mentioned about this, now from police department, what we wanted to do is we would like to take out and reach out to all the corner of the state, including the small or big villages, and I think we will from now on we will have further strengthening of the maybe the training, the workshop, the awareness program. So now initiative will be taken from the home police how to go about it, because as I said to you, I think it is so important to all of us to understand the importance of regulations and laws passed, be it by the central or by the state laws. No, right now the manpower after I think recently we have already filled up those vacancies about 3,000 odd plus. So again, of course, this vacancies has started accumulating maybe around 1,000 odd plus or below 1,000. Then even this issue has been already worked out by the board, by the police recruitment board. I think within few months from now, they'll be able again to go for the advertisement and let the boys and girls again participate in the process of the recruitment, the same way like we did last year. Yes, recently I had a meeting with the BSF. See, we have few challenges like that. Sometimes when we send them back, because if you go as per law, if you go as per the Foreigners Act, it will take a lot of time. So the moment they detected or the moment they found out those people trying to enter to Indian territory, then and there itself they push them back. But few instances happen where even from the BDR did not accept that. They said no, this is not our people, it is your people. So that challenges are there. But ultimately, while checking all those documents, they found out that yes, they have Bangladeshis, so you have to accept it. And ultimately, those issues were resolved.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.